Let's open it and see. Okay. Type C to Type C, charging cable, fast charging of course, charging power head. So it's three in one. Okay, let's put the Apple Watch on it. Yeah, AirPod actually. It is on for AirPod, so AirPod will fit there really nicely. So it's 3-in-1, fast charging, MagSafe compatible. So Apple Watch, AirPods, all those fancy stuff, yeah, all those things working just fine. So you can just slap your AirPod there, it will be charging it for you. And then you can slap Apple Watch there, right there. It's doing the job, fancy nicey. Call him fancy and nicey. Nice.